Okay, left mine.
What's going on, guys? So today I'm taking the Laramie into my buddy's shop at Detail Express. They do a lot of window tinting, detailing, ceramic coating, and Xpel clear wrapping or clear bra. And I'm actually getting the lower front bumper here clear bra'd with Xpel Ultimate. And the reason I'm doing this is because for some reason this black paint on the bumper, the black painted bumper, chips really easy. I've actually gotten like 3 or 4 rock chips on this lower bumper here, and I've touched them up. So to prevent the lower bumper from getting rock chipped, we're going to wrap it in Xpel Ultimate clear bra, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to apply that. My buddy Matt at Detail Express is going to hook it up, and I'll see you guys at the shop. I apologize for the wind noise, but as you guys can see, it's like Antarctica out here. It's freaking cold. The wind's whipping. As you guys can see, it snowed last night. We got like 5 inches of snow. It's nasty out. It's cold and hard to make content because it is so cold out, but we got all the trucks out here and getting ready to take the Laramie in to get clear bra'd. I haven't been able to do any updates on the Pulsar yet on my Bighorn because it's been so crappy out. It's been cold. I've been using remote start like 3 times morning to start the truck, so I'm not going to be getting an accurate fuel mileage reading on it. So I'm going to be doing that review probably next week once it warms up a little bit. So stay tuned for my towing video. However, I'm going to be towing this weekend with my truck. I'm gonna be towing my 23-foot snowmobile trailer, and I'm gonna put it in the towing mode on the Pulsar and get you guys a good review on if I notice a difference with towing with the Pulsar. So I will be making that video this weekend, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I said, as far as doing a review on the performance side of the Pulsar and the economy side, I will be waiting till next week to do that just because the weather is so crappy here, and I won't have dry roads to try the performance side of it and be able to do 0 to 60 testing for you guys and see if it's actually worth it to put that Pulsar in your Ram. But like I said, it's hang tight, and I will be doing reviews on it. It'll probably be next week though, once the weather's cleared up. As you guys can see here, it's cold, tons of snow, and pure Michigan weather for you. We got the Bighorn here all snowed in, as you guys can see here. It's cold out here, tons of snow. And we got the Durango, filthy. This truck here is fun in the snow, all-wheel drive, 500 horsepower, 392. It's got the Brembos. Oh man, it's cold out here. All right, let's get the Laramie started up and head to the shop. I don't know if you guys can see this in the camera, but it's like 35, 40 mile an hour wind gusts and just nasty outside. So hard to make videos, but I pulled the camera out. I'm gonna try to get a good video for you guys today on putting the Xpel Ultimate Clear Bra on the bumper of this 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. Man, I love this screen. I wish I had it in my truck. It's one thing I wish I had in the Bighorn was the 12-inch screen that the Laramie has. I love that big screen. And we're off, heading to Detail Express. Check out these roads, guys. You can barely even see the road. snow's coming down hard. Well, we just got here. Got the Ram sitting here. And we're gonna have Matt put some Xpel on the front of the bumper here. So stay tuned. Check out the owner's F-150. It's that lead foot gray color. He's got some ballistic wheels. Looks like 20 by 10s. Tinted windshield. Actually Matt's truck. Check out his fuel wheels. I love this gray color. I wish they made this gray or like a destroyer gray in the Rams. I would have definitely got this color. Some good looking trucks here. Man, it's cold out here. Alright guys, so we got the truck pulled in here, and they're going to go ahead and apply the Xpel Ultimate Clear Bra to the front of the bumper here. Alright guys, so it's all done. He went ahead and put Xpel Ultimate Clear Bra up here, a little bit on the fender flare there, and then the whole lower bumper is all expelled. They did a phenomenal job. No bubbles, no cuts, no creases. These guys do it best. Detail Express here in Keego Harbor, Michigan. I mean, check that out. You can't even tell it's on there. They went ahead and detailed the whole truck too for us. They did a great job. That's what they're known for, is detailing, window tinting. They're the ones that did the tinted windows as well a couple months back. They do a great job. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you one more walk around here just to show you how good of a job they did outside in the light. You can't even tell. This is clear broad, this is clear broad. Look, no lines anywhere. They do a phenomenal job, guys. I recommend taking your any car, truck, SUV, anything you want to get clear broad to Detail Express here in Keego Harbor. There's the number. I'll put a link in the description below on where you guys can go to their website and make an appointment. Look them up on Facebook, Instagram. But check this out, guys. Phenomenal job. And they also detailed the truck as well. It's gonna get dirty here as soon as we pull out. As you guys can see, it's winter and the roads are all full of salt and dirt and snow. But the Laramie's looking really good. So that completes today's video, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Peace.